Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today we are testing the new WetLine Xtreme Gel. I am a longtime lover of WetLine Xtreme Gel. It's one of the things that saved my wash and goes when I thought I wasn't a wash and go girl. So we're gonna be testing out the new formula today. So as far as my hair, I've already done my pre-poo routine as well as my complete wash day routine. And I put my moisturizer in the shower. And my moisturizer is the Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I use this product today because I used to use this one with the old formula all the time, never had flakes, always had bomb definition, it was always wonderful. So I'm hoping to get the same results when I use this one. I will say the first thing, I missed the handle. I missed my handle. That's such a stupid thing to care about, but of course I would care about it. Let me give this a shot. First things first, the smell is a lot stronger than the old gel. I'm not opposed to it. It's not off-putting, but it's definitely if you are somebody who's very sensitive to smells, you don't like loud smells. This is it's a little loud for my personal liking, but I think I can get over it. It's also way thinner than the last gel. More of a jelly. It feels more like a jelly than like the old WetLine gel. So, but I mean, I like that. I'm a fan of it so far. Moment of truth. Let's go. So I'm gonna put up the rest of my braids and we're gonna start in the back and work our way to the front. So I'm gonna treat this wash and go just like my wash and go that I did in my last ultimate wash and go video. The only difference is I'm not gonna use the jelly because I wanna test out how the gel operates by itself. Let's get started. First section, taking pretty healthy amount of gel, and let's get going. The real test will be when I get to the center of my head because the back of my hair is my loosest texture. My loosest texture is all behind my ears basically. And then the center in front of my head is my coarsest texture. Alright, so yeah, I'm liking it so far. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head and then I'll give you my final thoughts when I'm all done. Also, I'm sure this goes without saying, but I will be spraying hot water on my hair as I need it. That looks really good. And my roots are puffy. Oh my God, my roots are puffy.
That's good.
Alrighty guys, so first initial thoughts. My hair is very flat, which is like different for me. Most of the time my wash and goes always are like kind of on the fluffier side initially. So we'll see how that goes. But I really enjoyed like the process of like putting it on. I felt like I didn't have to use as much of the gel as like the old WetLine, because I felt like it kind of slipped through my hair strands a little easier. So that was like really nice. It was really nice. The smell that initially bothered me does not bother me, because like once I actually started rubbing it in my hair and then it mixed with the Long and Luxe, like the smell went away. Like I don't smell anything sitting on my hair right now. I do think like my curls are very clumped. They are very clumped. Usually to get my curls this clump, I need to use the curl boosting jelly that I used in my last wash and go video, just kind of prep, and then I use the WetLine to basically hold everything in place. But this one is really, really nice. Like it feels like, you know, it feels good. I'm not touching it too much. I'm not trying to create a lot of frizz initially, but you know, I have high hopes for this wash and go. So I'm about to go sit under the dryer for a little bit, and if it doesn't dry tonight, I'll check back with you guys in the morning. So I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dry, and I do have a couple of comments. One, my hair isn't crunchy and it doesn't feel crunchy, and I only point that out for a couple of reasons. One, I like my hair to be crunchy on day one, because then I know it's gonna last like 5, 6, 7 days. Also, if you don't know, I stretch my hair basically every other day. So the more I stretch it, the less definition I have. And usually if I don't have a good amount of crunch or a good amount of hold, that definition goes away very quickly the more I stretch my hair. And if you want a full stretch routine, I already have a video on it, and I'll make sure you guys can see it right up there. So that kind of bothers me. This feels like day 3 kind of hold for me. It doesn't feel like day 1 hold that I'm used to using WetLine gel, if that makes sense. So part 2 of this is the no crunch bothers me because I feel like, because it feels like day 3 hair, I feel like I'm gonna have to do my hair again in 2 days, which, you know, kind of defeats the purpose when I use WetLine previously and I get like 5, 6, 7 days out of my wash and go. So I'm hoping that's not the case. I'm hoping I'm just tripping and it actually is gonna hold up really well. But I will say definition is dumb, stupid, and crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch my hair so I can see what's really good with this gel. Also, y'all, I lost my concentrator nozzle. Don't clown me. I'm gonna buy a new one next week. Y'all, my hair looks so good, and I'm gonna be real pressed if I wake up tomorrow, if I wake up in 2 days and it's not this good. Okay guys, so my hair is stretched and it feels really good. It looks so good. I really like the way it looks. I don't have any flakes, so I know that at least the As I Am works really well with the WetLine, so that's great. I have no flaking, which is amazing. Like the definition is so nice. And it's fluffy, it's movable. So that is really good, and I really like this. I really like this hair. Again, it's just throwing me off that it's so soft for day one. So we're gonna see how this wash and go holds up, and I'll check back with you guys in a couple of days and let you know my final thoughts. Okay guys, so it is now day 4 of this wash and go, and I think I have to take back everything I said. My hair still has really good definition, especially like in the back part of my head. You know, it's definitely frizzy because, again, I stretch my hair every single day. So I was originally really worried that since there was no crunch, I wasn't gonna have any hold, and like I was expecting, you know, to rock my black power fro today. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So I'm actually very pleasantly surprised, and I'm like, you know, really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I would stretch this out a little longer because it looks good, but I do have an event that I need to be at this weekend, so I really want fresh curls for the event. So I'm about to actually co-wash and, you know, just refresh up my hair a little bit. Yeah, guys, those are my final thoughts. I actually am quite happy with this new gel. I was worried. I was very worried when I didn't have any crunch, but she came through for us, sis. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my review / update on the WetLine gel. Definitely gonna keep this in my arsenal. So glad I can keep this in my arsenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please leave a like and comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.